Hello, once again I welcome you. Today the topic is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. What is the pattern? First we will know the pattern. Subject plus had plus been plus ing form of the verb or present participle plus subject plus complement. Once again, the pattern: subject plus had plus been plus present participle or ing form of the verb plus complement. This is the pattern for the past perfect continuous tense. Right now, start. The past perfect continuous tense is used. When it is used, the past perfect continuous tense refers to an action continuing in the distance past into the recent past. I repeat, the past perfect continuous tense refers to an action continuing in the distant past into the recent past. Example: I knew that he had been working for many days. Another example: he had been watching the show for over an hour when he decided to leave. You must observe that the difference between the past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense is rather subtle. You see this example: I knew that he had been working for many days can also be written in the past perfect without any change. For example, I knew that he had worked for many days. The difference between past perfect and past perfect continuous is rather subtle, confusing. Right now, a repeated action in the past perfect can sometimes be used in the past perfect continuous tense. I repeat once again, a repeated action in the past perfect can be sometimes used in the past perfect continuous tense. You see this example: he had tried 4 times to meet the governor before he left Hyderabad. This can be written in the past perfect continuous tense. He had been trying to meet the governor before he left Hyderabad. Right now. Now I will show you the difference between the past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense. I have taken 2 sentences here. First one is in past perfect, whereas the second sentence is in past perfect continuous tense. You see the first one: yesterday by 10 a.m. I had washed my car. This sentence shows that the job has completed. You see here: yesterday by 10 a.m. I had been washing my car. This doesn't tell us whether the job was completed, whereas this tells us that the job was completed. Right now, I have taken another 2 sentences. One is in past perfect tense, whereas the other is in past perfect continuous tense. The first one, please. The painter had painted my car when I went to the garage. This is in past perfect. You see the second one: the painter had been painting my car when I went to the garage. The first one expresses that it was a recent or some past long action, whereas this one shows the painting is still going on or just completed. So this is the difference between the past perfect as well as past perfect continuous. There may be a little confusion, but actually it is to make the difference is very difficult. Right now. Now the typical mistake what we do generally. You see here, he was suffering from fever for 4 days when the doctor came. It has to be used in past perfect continuous tense. It is in past continuous tense. It is better to use in past perfect continuous tense. He had been suffering from fever for 4 days when the doctor came. This is a very small chapter, past perfect continuous tense. I have completed this. Now in the next video, we shall discuss about simple future. Simple future doesn't mean the tense only talks about the future. Here the simple present sometimes and present continuous may also be used to talk about the future action. We shall discuss in the next chapter. Until then, goodbye and namaste.